Good morning. Today my topic is ADP research work. This is the picture of ADP, and we will discuss about the ADP research and its works and functions. This is the another picture of ADP and and cyclic chain of ADP. We will discuss about in detail ADP in this video. Research on adenosine diphosphate ADP focus on critical role in cellular energy transfer, signal transduction, and virus physiological process. ADP is a key molecule in cellular metabolism, working closely with adenosine triphosphate ATP and adenosine monophosphate AMP energy conversion process. Here are the some main areas of ADP research. Role in energy metabolism. ATP-ADP cycle. Research investigate the mechanism by which ADP converts to, ATP and vice versa, especially during cellular respiration and photosynthesis. This cycle is fundamental to providing energy for cellular processes. ATP glycolysis and oxidative phosphorylation. ATP is crucial in both these pathways where it is phosphorylated to from ATP stating ATP's roles help understand energy production, regulation, and efficiency within cells. ATP synthesis function. Research focus on ATP synthesis, the enzyme that catalyzes the formation of ATP from ADP in the mitochondria. ADP availability and binding are essential for the process, making it a focal point in metabolic studies. ATP ADP is a single molecule platelet activation and aggregation. ATP acts as the potent signaling molecule in the platelet, promoting their activation and aggregation during blood clotting. ADP's interaction with platelet P2Y receptor P2Y1 and P2Y12 is an area of significant research, particularly for developing antithrombic drugs. Purinergic signaling. ATP is the part of purinergic signaling pathway influencing various cellular response by binding to P2 receptor. This research has implication for immune response and neurotransmission and inflammatory process, vasodilation and cardiovascular health. ADP and receptor are involved in the vascular function, particularly in the relaxation of smooth muscle and regulation of blood pressure. Study explore how ADP signaling affect vascular health and disease. The role in cellular process. ADP role in the cellular process. ADP help in the muscle contraction. ADP is released during muscle contraction and play a critical role in the contraction relaxation cycle. Uh, research is this area explores how ADP dynamic influence muscle perform, fatigue, and recovery. Apoptosis and cell death. ADP leads uh, influence apoptosis and autophagy process, impacting cells survival and hemostasis. This is especially relevant in cancer and neurodegenerative disease research. ADP, ADP ribosylation. ADP ribosylation is the post-translation modification where ADP is added to protein. This modification affects DNA repair, gene expression and cell signaling. Poly-ADP ribose polymerase RPS area enzyme that catalyze this modification, and their role in widely studied particularly in cancer and immune disease. ADP and mitochondrial function. Mitochondrial ADP transport. The ATP translocase protein transport ADP into mitochondria and export ATP. This process is crucial for mitochondria energy metabolism and dysfunction in linked to various metabolic disorders. Mitochondrial bioenergetics and disease. Impaired ADP transport and mitochondrial dysfunction are implicated in disease like muscular dystrophy, diabetes, and neurodegenerative conditions. Research are studying how alteration in ADP handling impact mitochondrial health and energy production. ADP research has both with applications in medicine, pharmacology, sports science, and beyond. Understanding ATP's roles can drive advance in the metabolic therapies, cardiac and vascular health, cancer treatment, and cellular biology. Here, here is an illustration showing various roles of ATP in cellular process, highlighting energy, metabolic platelet activation, mitochondrial function, and more late. And this is the diagram of the ADP framework, ADP research and works. Thank you.